I'm not good. I'm not good.
What's your bitch ass password? Hurry up.
2014.
Yeah, this nigga put his head down when he said the password. Like a
The only thing I'm saying, I'm gonna go change on. Perhaps a little more room here for a big sense.
and dog.
We're gonna have so many fucking beats. This motherfucker. This shit's gonna go through the
Hey, I can't see myself.
I'm shit old these days.
What's up, nigga? It's the black African motherfucker Michael Blackson out here in this bitch. Alright, nigga, I feel you. What the fuck am I saying? Yo.
I'm hot to do a slow one on this shit right here.
That's the beat.
I speak my mind every single time I drop the beat. I'm cleaning niggas systems out like detox. She like the way I rock them tips. Not to mention that he riding in the Benz. No maxing when it comes to spending that cash. He get it so fast like Jimmy John's when I call. I'm straight raw, way worse than sushi. You niggas rhymes is weak, salsa bougie, yet so fugazi. I spit crack, get you killed like in the 80s. Better yet, you get cracked, baby. You must have fell on your head thinking those rhymes were sick. I disinfect you, like I never met you. I only did it to protect you from what can affect you. So I rescue rush like the restroom flush, cause your shit is weak. I'm not saying it to offend you. You know it's true, your style is copy. You probably come in a package of two. Your whole crew jock me. This ain't no jock me, but I'm cocky and you badly bruised. Hold up, let me grab the tool. This is private, but I'm going wireless. Comparing to Bluetooth, my bad, cause you who I'm singing to the blues. Get a clue, I'm forgetting, sticking to the faith. Never less than mindless fake
Why the hell
niggas.
so many people are trying to tell me to slow down? Seems like motherfuckers should be shutting the hell up and enjoying the show.
Yeah, I got balls, no fucking chill. I got weed, but my shit's never for sale. My shit is so fucking raw, bitch, it's too loud. Rip my shirt off, bitch, I'm going like I'm Google now. Search me up, bitches, you will never find a dick like mine, bitch. You niggas cannot multiply. Add your shit to his shit, bitch, my bitch is nigga, how you lie? I don't give a fuck, nigga, please, I ain't gotta try. Smoking till I fucking die. Probably hit my fucking lie. Niggas talk about that shit, you niggas know I'm gon' lie, cause this is what I'm on. The bitches be smoking, that's wrong. I got more than you own. My bitches just come from Colombia. You bitches don't know what we been on, cause I fucked a bitch and I gave her back. Nigga fuck once and never call again. That's true shit. Nigga make the bands, that's contraband. I ship it out, ho, to them other lands. I got terrorists on my damn porch, so I make the Texas like cocaine. You can't even make one fucking snow with your $10 fee ass nigga. Talk about you gon' blast a nigga. What gun, homie? You ain't got shit. You ain't even down to pull the trigger. Little squirt nigga. Why the gun type of figure? Talk about that, you ain't known as no killer. I be doing my shit, that shit too hard. I break jaws, niggas, I'm called bizarre. Damn. That niggas don't know. I leave far straight to the gone when I'm gone, and I'm grabbing my chain and I'm straight going down straight to your face, nigga. Cause your ass so boring, like damn. I don't know what to fucking make of this. Slurring on my words, I guess that purple shit is on my shit. Bitch, you can suck my dick, swallow all my baby's trick. Call this shit what you want, I don't give a fuck, bitch. Yeah,
I'm gonna have to start this beat back. Hey. That's fucking hard. Nigga, you crazy. I said, nigga, you crazy. Pull spot, check my watch, watch it tick. Then I get a text from your girl, says she want my dick. Now we sending pics on Netflix, but I saw a flick, 5 stars, now I'm smashing out in my car. Time is money, oh my gosh, I missed out on a brick, loaded cash on my way to first place. You still on first base, you didn't get to play, no chance to bat, on my bat, on my way to home plate. Family know I stay safe, I hope you finish last in the back, catching gas, don't be a drag, you a silly motherfucking fact. Selling all my youngins, how much younger can I get? Homie hit my phone, said he about to have another kid? What? No comment. Man, that's not my fucking biz. I just handle mine, how I live. Get the fucking biz. I'm a little busy. Narcotics got me a little dizzy. Listening to Dizzy just to get it right. I ain't stupid, dog. Cats is thinking that they got 9 lives. Then they find out tonight, lights out. Man, we all in the drought, but it's all water. I'ma go further than your father, but the way I fuck your daughter, don't believe me once you see me like I said, nigga, you crazy. I said, nigga, you crazy.
I'm a little crazy. I'm kind of a little crazy.
Kind of makes me wonder why the hell so many people are trying to tell me to slow down. Seems like motherfuckers should be shutting the hell up and enjoying the show.
I said it, I stop real soon, but I'm in the streets every day. All I see is goons, man, I'm trying to get the money transferred to a full room. Her ass big as fuck, I'm comparing to a full moon. Scared out of all your food, no zoom in the cameras, but I got that zoom. High definition guns get you fucking doomed. Don't believe me once you see me soon. Now you acting brand new. I'm so sick, just listen to me. You need a suit. I'm dropping bodies like a coop. Are you sure you want to shoot? I'm telling you the truth. He like, yes, place your bet. Now he got the gun aimed to my chest. Mac 11 on my vest. But my homie keeping through, try whip out the 4-5. Time to ride. I said, like, nigga, you crazy. Let me finish this real quick. All I got is this bar left. All I know is honesty, my girl on the got.